Did you know you can use flash fill in Excel to fill in patterns of data? For example, here I have employee information, and I need to fill in all their email addresses. But I do not want to have to type in each individual email address. As long as there's a pattern, flash fill will kick in. So for example, if I start typing in Amy's email, let's say that the pattern is first name dot last name at email.com. So I can type in amy.baker at email.com. Press enter, and I'm going to start typing in Christie's. Notice I just typed the first letter of Christie's name, and immediately Excel's flash fill was able to pick up the pattern, and it's showing me a recommendation of that pattern. Now, if I do not need that pattern, I keep typing, I ignore it. But if I do want flash fill to kick in, I just press enter, and I'm finished.